Did you know that you might be eating some of your favorite fruits completely wrong? Some parts you toss away are actually the most nutritious, and a few common habits could even be harmful to your health. Stay with me as we dive into the surprising secrets of 5 popular fruits you're eating wrong. Mistake number 3 will blow your mind. It's something even health enthusiasts get wrong. Fruits are more than just delicious. They're nature's ultimate gift to our health. Yet, how you prepare, store, or eat them can make a massive difference in how much you benefit. In today's video, we'll debunk popular fruit myths, unlock hidden nutritional secrets, and show you how to enjoy bananas, oranges, pineapples, apples, and strawberries the right way. Plus, stick around until the end for a bonus tip on a lesser-known fruit that's often completely misunderstood. Fruit myths debunked. Myth 1. Eating fruit at night is bad for you. Truth. There's no solid evidence that eating fruit at night leads to weight gain or health issues. In fact, fruits like kiwi and cherries can promote better sleep due to their natural melatonin content. Myth 2. Only ripe fruits are good for you. Truth. While ripe fruits taste sweeter, underripe options like green bananas and mangoes are packed with resistant starch, which aids gut health. Ripe or underripe? Each has unique benefits. Myth 3. Processed fruit juices are healthy. Truth. Think again. Store-bought juices often lack fiber and are loaded with sugar. On the other hand, blending whole fruits at home retains nutrients and gives you the full spectrum of health benefits. Myth 4. Avoid the white part of fruits. Truth. The white pith of citrus fruits is incredibly rich in fiber and flavonoids, which help reduce inflammation. Unlocking the potential of bananas. Beyond the peel. Did you know banana peels are edible and packed with antioxidants and fiber? Cultures in South Asia and Africa use banana peels in cooking to maximize nutrition. Try boiling the peel and blending it into smoothies. Curious fact: bananas naturally produce serotonin, which is why they're sometimes called nature's happy fruit. Eating them regularly can support your mood and mental health. The best way to eat a banana? Pair bananas with protein like Greek yogurt or nuts to prevent sugar crashes and boost energy levels throughout the day. When bananas are best, green bananas are a prebiotic powerhouse, while overripe bananas are perfect for quick energy boosts. Did you know overripe bananas also contain higher levels of antioxidants? Orange. You glad you're eating it right? Beyond the juice. The orange peel contains more vitamin C than the flesh itself. Grate it into dishes or use it to make candied orange peel for a delicious snack. Curious fact: oranges aren't just great for immunity, they're also a natural stress reducer. The scent of fresh orange peel is proven to have calming effects. Orange, you glad for a boost? Oranges are packed with bioflavonoids that work synergistically with vitamin C to fight free radicals. How to eat an orange for maximum benefit. Always keep the pith, the white layer, on your orange slices. It's loaded with fiber and compounds that lower cholesterol. The pineapple paradox. More than just the flesh. Don't discard the pineapple core. It's where the highest concentration of bromelain resides. Bromelain not only aids digestion, but also reduces inflammation and speeds up recovery after workouts. Curious fact: pineapple's enzymes are so strong they can be used as a natural meat tenderizer. But be careful. Eating too much pineapple can irritate your tongue. Pineapple, a digestive powerhouse. Pineapple is rich in enzymes that help break down protein, making it the ultimate post-meal fruit. Mastering pineapple prep. Save the skin and steep it in water to create a refreshing pineapple tea that aids digestion and boosts hydration. Strawberries, more than just a snack. Strawberry power. Did you know strawberries have more vitamin C per serving than oranges? They're also rich in anthocyanins, which give them their vibrant red color and offer anti-inflammatory benefits. The strawberry advantage. Strawberries contain ellagic acid, which helps protect skin from UV damage. Adding them to your diet can even slow down aging. How to eat strawberries for maximum impact. To retain their nutrients, wash strawberries just before eating. Want a nutrient boost? Pair them with dark chocolate, which contains antioxidants that work in harmony with the fruit's compounds. Apples, beyond the core. Don't peel away the goodness. Apple skins are a powerhouse of fiber and antioxidants like quercetin, which support your immune system and help fight inflammation. Curious fact: did you know apple cores are edible? While the seeds should be eaten in moderation, the core contains valuable nutrients often wasted. The apple effect. Eating apples regularly helps regulate blood sugar and supports heart health thanks to their soluble fiber content. Mastering apple prep. Enjoy apples fresh with the skin on, or bake them whole for a delicious, nutrient-packed treat. Bonus tip: the mystery fruit you're probably ignoring. Meet the kiwi. Often overlooked, the kiwi is a small fruit with enormous benefits. Its skin is edible and contains more fiber than the flesh itself. Kiwi is also rich in actinidin, an enzyme that aids protein digestion. Pro tip: eating kiwi before bed can improve sleep quality due to its serotonin content. Which of these fruit-eating mistakes surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and share it with friends who need these tips. Also, don't forget to subscribe for more insights like these. See you next time.